My wife won't stop asking for help around the house, so I got one of these bad boys. So not only will this one mop and vacuum my entire house, it's also self-emptying. This is like the best robot vacuum you can get. It's a Sharp Matrix Plus. Normally this thing's $700. I would never be smart enough to know if it's on hardwood and it needs a mop or if it's on carpet and it needs a vacuum. It's actually gonna map out your entire house. To actually clean your house, it's gonna vacuum in a grid pattern so it doesn't miss a spot. Also has edge cleaning, so get right up against your wall. You don't need to worry about that random sock on the floor because it's gonna detect and avoid all obstacles. When you get one of these, you obviously get the robot. It comes with the self-emptying base and 4 washable mop pads, so when those get dirty, you just throw them in the wash. And it also has an app, so you get full control. This thing seriously does it all. It does look like that sale ends soon, so if you want to grab one while it's $400 off, I'll drop a link for it right here so you can go check it out.